Hey, what's up YouTube? Here with another good video. Real easy haircut. Number 2 on top. Ball fade. I'm gonna start by grabbing my Andis T outliners and making the first guideline. Here I got my magic clips with the lever all the way open, and I'm gonna go up about an inch. And this is gonna be my second guideline. With my 1.5 guard on and the lever all the way closed, I'm going up about another inch. I got my half guard here with the lever all the way open, and I am gonna erase the line that I made between the 1.5 guard closed and the lever all the way open. You probably won't be able to see it in the video, but as I go down, I close the lever little by little to erase the line. It just makes it a little bit easier for me to blend down because there's less room for error and you're not pushing the fade up. Here I'm using my number 1 guard, and I'm just opening and closing the lever to erase some of the dark spots that I wasn't able to get with the half guard. I got my lever all the way open here, and I'm going to use the blend down technique also in this section. I close the lever as I get closer to the ball line. Use the same steps that I use on the left side of the head, on the right side of the head, and also on the back of the head. kind of messed up here since I should have done this in the beginning, but I'm using my Andis BGRs with a number 2 detachable blade to take the top down. Here I came back with my number 1 guard, and I'm just lighting up some of the dark spots. This is the end results of the cut. I used a lot of the blending down technique. You guys are welcome to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys want to see next, what kind of haircuts. You guys can also follow me on Instagram at 9fabian_reyes4 for more content like pictures, short videos. Thanks.